In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sheets offline. This is perfect for traveling, working in places with spotty Wi-Fi, or simply staying productive when your connection drops. You'll need to be signed in to your Google account and have a brief internet connection to switch this on, but once it's enabled, your sheet will be ready to use without the web. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to access offline. At the very top of the page, near the file name and the toolbar, look for the small status area that describes the document's current state. It may appear as a short label that says something like "See Document Status." Click that to open the status panel. This panel tells you whether the file is available offline and gives you quick controls to change that setting. Inside the panel, click Turn On. This tells Google Sheets to prepare an offline copy of your spreadsheet on your device so you can open and edit it without a connection. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation prompt to make sure you're enabling offline access for this file. When that appears, click Turn On again to confirm. That's all there is to it. After a moment, the status should update to indicate that the file is now available offline. You might notice a small check mark or a message confirming the change. From this point forward, if you lose your connection, you can keep working as usual. Edits you make are saved locally and will automatically sync to the cloud as soon as you're back online, so you don't have to redo anything later. A few helpful notes as you use offline mode. The offline copy is stored on your current device and within the browser profile you're using, so you'll need to repeat these steps if you switch computers or profiles. Large spreadsheets or sheets with many images may take a bit longer to prepare and can use more storage, so keep an eye on available space if you're working with big files. If you ever want to stop keeping a file offline, return to the same status panel and turn it off there. For shared or public computers, it's best to avoid enabling offline access for sensitive documents. That's it. By clicking See Document Status, then Turn On, and confirming with Turn On, you've set up your Google Sheet to work offline and sync automatically when you reconnect. Thanks for watching and enjoy uninterrupted productivity wherever you are.